Great news! RGBlink will have big promotions for the live streaming kits in June. The original price is $2,748. Now you can get this package at $2,299. Save $449 directly. First of all, we can see it is a classic black storage case, compact design and portable package for hand carry. Now let's see what's included in this package. Let's open it. As you can see, it is high quality soft PE foam, keeps the equipment in safety during the shipment and when you are transferring from event to event. This is the user manual for the products. In this package, we have one Mini Pro, a powerful streaming switcher, two remoters to control the PTZ cameras, two network cables. Now let's have a closer look inside the package. There are two 20x PTZ cameras, one bracket to hold the Mini Pro and your mobile phone devices. Now this is all about this package. Call us now and find your local distributor to have your live streaming kits.